Who said white pants aren't for women over 60? Well, actually, who said that after 50 we can't wear whatever the heck we want? Today I want to talk to you about a piece that kind of intimidates a lot of us, but if worn right, can be your best friend: white pants. Yep, the ones we sometimes avoid because we think they show too much, they're see-through, or just not flattering. But between us girls, let me tell you something. The problem isn't the white pants. The problem is how we wear them, or better said, how we don't wear them out of fear. And no, I'm not talking about following trends or dressing like you're 20. I'm talking about feeling like yourself, authentic, modern, elegant, and most of all, confident. Because dressing well doesn't have an age. And feeling beautiful? Even less. So stick with me till the end. Cause I'm gonna give you ideas to style them based on your body type. And I'll also share some super common mistakes to avoid so white pants can become your go-to piece. Let's get into it. Why white pants could be your new best friend. Okay girl, how many times have you looked at white pants in a store and thought, nope, not for me? I get it. We've all been there. But today I want to invite you to see white pants with fresh eyes. Because white isn't just a color, it's an attitude. It's clean, bright, classy. It has this magic way of making you look fresh, polished, modern, effortlessly. And the best part? It lights up your face like few other colors do. It gives this natural glow that's super youthful. It levels up any basic look. Throw on a simple blouse and with white pants? Instant upgrade. And it gives off a powerful vibe, confidence and self-care. Like saying, here I am, I like myself, I take care of myself, and I don't need to scream it. Now yeah, I know. White has a rep for showing everything, or being unforgiving. But what if I told you that could actually work for you? Because when you know what cut to go for, what fabric flatters you, and how to balance it out, it stops being risky, and turns into a total style statement. So don't see it as a tricky piece. See it as your ally for looking polished, fresh, and super flattering, without stressing about it. Trust me, you don't need to be 30 or have a perfect body to rock a pair and look amazing. Pick the right cut for your body. Here comes the best kept secret. The cut of white pants is everything. Yeah girl, more than the color, more than the fabric. The cut is what takes you from I feel weird to damn I look good. When you pick a pair that fits your shape, you're not just comfy. You look more balanced, more put together, more you. Got wide hips? Then go for straight leg or wide leg pants. Why? Cause they don't cling to your hips, and that creates visual balance. You'll look proportionate, flowy, and not like everything's showing. Have a small waist or a bit of a tummy? Girl, high-waisted pants with soft pleats or wide bands are your besties. That cut elongates your legs, shapes your figure, and gives this super flattering silhouette. You'll put them on and go, wow, these actually work. Are you petite? White pants can totally work for you if you go for straight, ankle length, or mid-rise styles. And here's a pro trick. Pair them with shoes in similar tones. That little detail makes your legs look longer, and it really flatters your whole shape. But beyond any tips, here's what I want you to remember. What matters most is that you feel like you. That your pants don't dig in. That you can move, sit, walk freely, and not be worried about what's showing. Because when you're comfortable, it shows. And that's the best thing you can wear. The confidence of feeling good in your own skin. How to style white pants with flair. Now that you've found your perfect fit, comes the fun part. Styling. And I've got combos here that never fail. No fuss, no chasing every trend, just easy, elegant, totally you outfits. With blazers in neutrals or soft tones. One of my faves. Beige, light gray, blush pink. It gives instant chic vibes. Perfect for lunch dates, work meetings, or just feeling like a boss. With loose linen or cotton shirts. They're light, comfy, and always look put together. White on white works too if you play with textures. Add gold or straw accessories, and you're super chic. With light sweaters or fine knits, half tucked in. The half tuck or front knot trick is a game changer, especially with high-waisted pants. Perfect for those breezy spring or fall days when you want to look nice but not too done. And if you've got a boho side, a lot of us do, even if it's been asleep. Try a long kimono, a printed jacket, or something with fringe. It adds a modern, artsy vibe, and shows your personality. Remember, white pants are a base, What you throw on top sets the tone. That's your playground. Get creative and have fun with it. Common mistakes to skip. White pants can totally light up a look, but worn wrong, they can backfire fast. Here are some mistakes to avoid, and no worries, we've all done them. The key is learning and tweaking drama-free. Dark or bulky underwear. Girl, this is the classic mistake that ruins the cutest outfit. With white, less is more. Go nude, skip the lacy stuff or thick seams. If you can, go for seamless or second skin styles. Trust me, it changes everything. Too thin or see-through fabrics. Sometimes you spot a pair and fall in love, until you try them on and see everything. Go for fabrics with structure. Thick linen, good cotton or viscose blends. They won't just prevent see-through moments, they'll hang better and look more upscale. Wearing them too tight. White doesn't hide stuff. If they're too snug, they highlight exactly what you don't want. Go for a fit that gives you shape, yes, but doesn't squeeze. Comfort shows, and so does elegance. And one more thing, not a mistake, just a reminder. Investing in a good pair of white pants? Totally worth it. It's timeless, versatile, and if you pick quality, it'll be with you for years. One of those pieces you'll pull out and say, "So glad I bought you." The power of confidence. Now here's the most important part of all. Because you can have the perfect pants, the right cut, the ideal combo. But if you don't believe it, no one else will. Confidence isn't something you buy, it's something you build. Walk with your head up. Look in the mirror with kindness, not hunting for flaws, but seeing how far you've come and how beautiful you are right now. Because dressing well doesn't have an age. Feeling gorgeous doesn't either. And white pants, they're not just for the bold. They're for women who know who they are and aren't afraid to show up and shine. So yes, girl, put them on. Own it. Step out into the world as what you truly are, a real, stylish, confident woman. The perfect shoes to go with white pants. A lot of times we plan the pants, the top, the accessories, and forget that shoes can make or break a look in seconds. And with white pants, this matters even more. Why? Because light colors draw attention downward. So shoes suddenly become a way bigger deal. Here are some tips nobody talks about, but they make a huge difference. Shoes in nude or beige. If you want to elongate your legs and look more streamlined, this is the hack. Nude keeps things flowing, doesn't cut the line. Perfect with straight or cropped pants. Sandals or mules in earth tones, gold or pastels. Ideal for spring and summer. They're light, classy, and add that fresh vibe without overdoing it. White or minimalist sneakers. Yep, you can be comfy and stylish. Pair them with a loose shirt or a blazer for a modern, relaxed look. Perfect for those "I want to look good but chill" days. Booties or closed shoes in winter. White pants can totally work in colder months. Just make sure your shoes have presence, leather, suede, or cool textures, to balance the outfit. Avoid shoes that are too flashy, with lots of details or bright colors that compete with the pants. The idea is to complement, not steal the spotlight. And most importantly, wear shoes you can walk in confidently, that feel comfy and feel like you. Good white pants plus the right shoes equals a winning combo that says it all without saying a word. So next time you see white pants hanging in a store, don't think "this isn't for me." Try them on with a smile, and give yourself the chance to rediscover how good you can look and feel in them. This isn't about following strict rules. It's about playing with fashion, knowing yourself, and enjoying the process of caring for yourself inside and out. If this video inspired you, drop me a heart in the comments and tell me, do you already wear white pants? Got a favorite combo or a look that makes you feel powerful? And if you want more fashion ideas made for real, stylish women who want to feel good every day, subscribe and hit that little bell. 'Cause this is just getting started. Thanks for being here. And if there's a topic you'd love to hear about, drop it in the comments and I'll make a video just for it. See you in the next one, and keep on shining.